All right, y'all, welcome back to the show. All right, on this very special Sunday at Comic-Con. BB, oh, so somebody else was listening. Look at, oh, for a minute, I thought that was Alex or somebody. Oh, well. All right, let's go down this aisle, okay? So, how you enjoying it? So we all get ready to go home. The video game guy's probably not here, you know? Oh, well, and that's why I bought this little girl, okay? Bought Bobby here yesterday, you know? Neil Adams. Some people with Sega shirts, some people with Nintendo shirts, even Superman shirt. Oh, you want to see that? Oh, okay. Let's go see. They got X-Men. Wow. Supergirl. You see that? I wonder where Bob Camp at, I wonder. Hello.
Bob Camp is not.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, but across from the video games, I guess. All right, then, thanks. I want you to meet Bob Camp. Okay, Bob Camp. All right, so. All right, so.
TV show with that cat right there. I mean, the movie.
All right, how y'all doing?
There's a girl on the broom.
All right, there we go. Damn it. Okay. Let's see, Bob Camp. Okay.
Mom in the convention center.
Yes.
You like Ren and Stimpy? Oh, you never heard of Ren and Stimpy? Okay. Let's go see where Bob Camp at once again. Okay. All right. So we'll be right back.